Hey guys, welcome back. It's part two of the miter saw build. I'm going to be sanding it down and gluing it up. Possibly cleaning up this area where I want to fit it into and building the bottom half. So stick around, see if I can get it done. Here we go. To be quite honest with you, this was pretty difficult to square. I could have made a little jig or something to get it square, but at some point you just gotta live and let live. And I cracked one of my side railings. That was made out of red oak, and I should have made them out of white oak. It's a lot stronger, but live and learn. These little trim pieces are just white oak strips that I cut off of a piece of board that I had laying around. It's coming to a theme that I am a organized hoarder, I guess. I didn't use anything on this project that I had to actually buy. Everything was scrapped and laying around the shop, so I'm going to call it organized hoarding, and we'll leave it at that. There was a lot of putting the top on, taking the top off, and staring at it. Didn't have a plan. I just went with my instincts on it. Might have been the wrong decision, but again, it's mine, so we're just kind of working with what we got. These are 20-inch drawer sides that I wanted to recess into that to make that drawer pull out a little bit easier and give it a little bit more space. Could have switched to my dado stack up, but I just wasn't in the mood to change all the blades out, so I did it the hard way. when you're working in a little shop, every little piece of area counts. So it was about 8 inches behind the drawer slides that wasn't being used, and I just cut it out, and I'm going to make a little storage area for small cutoffs. Going back to that hoarding theme, I found some 1-inch L brackets, and I attached the base to the top with those. Hey guys, I hope you Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to continue on. I'm going to stop right here for the night. I got the whole base built with, well, a couple of sliding drawers. It'll be easier once the drawers get some doorknobs on them. I hope. This one slides pretty easy. I think I just adjust that one a little bit. So, yeah. Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you want to see the finish. Yeah, whatever. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit the notification bell. All right, I'll see y'all on the next one.